Morning of day 2, we're on the water, and it's a little bit early. We got a little bit of an earlier start today than we did yesterday, and but it's a Saturday, and there's a bunch of boats at the ramp, so we're glad to be out here before all the traffic shows up. So we're casting streamers like we started first thing yesterday morning. We already had one grab, but it was within the sight of the boat ramp, so that's kind of like the curse, right? If you hook a fish within sight of the boat ramp, it's the last fish you see all day. Sorry about that, Michael.
Sweating.
On the Missouri River for another day of fishing. Got Doug with me in the boat back here. Where you at? There you're at, Doug. We got Cole with us. Cole flew in yesterday, and we have a new group of anglers, a bunch of them from Gig Harbor, that have joined us, and they're all out with guides today. And so they have guides with our friends from Headhunters, and then 3 of us just are gonna go fishing and having fun. There we go. Cole's hooked up on a nice fish. Wish I could get a to grab the camera sooner. So cool to see that fish chasing that fly. We couldn't see the fish, but with this wave was following the fly in because it's so shallow and flat. And Doug just sped it up and made that fish eat that thing. Nice fish, Doug.
Thank you, buddy.
Nice. Man, that was fly's been the hot fly, dude. Oh, is it brown? Can't tell. Last morning, we finally have some cloud cover, which is pretty exciting. We're gonna start off throwing streamers. We're on the water, it's just past 8 o'clock. And Doug just rigged up a rod that our rep loaned us. It's a Winston Air 2 9'6" weight. And so we're gonna hook some streamers with that, check that out. And the rod that Cole's been fishing has been a Sage R8 core 6 weight with a Rio streamer tip line on it that has the 10-foot intermediate tip. That's been just a workhorse for us this whole trip. It's been great. We've been definitely throwing a lot of trout space stuff for dry flies. The little dry fly fishing we've done, we threw some R8 classics in the 486, the 590, and then a R8 core 590, but not the dry fly fishing that we've had in the past years. And so we're really hoping that next year we hit a little bit of a better weather week for sure. Today on the Trout Spay, when we hop out of the boat to fish, we are going to only use the flies from Patagonia, these pheasant tail flies. We're gonna see if you can catch fish on the Missouri with these flies, because they say that these are the only flies you need. So we're putting it to the test. Just looking at them in the box, they look pretty good. They look pretty good, so we're gonna throw some of these soft tackles and we'll see if we can swing some fish up on those. Okay, guys. You ready?
I'm ready.
But are you ready?
I'm ready.
We just finished swinging a run below the run that Cole got his really nice fish in, and I landed. Well, I didn't land. They came off right at my feet. 2 rainbows, but they weren't big like Cole's. And they're all in this little tiny, like size 18 soft tackle. So that was fun on the 1-weight trout spay. That's such a fun rod. I love that thing. The Sage Trout Spay HD, 10-foot 9-inch 1-weight. Man, so much fun. So we're gonna hit like maybe one last spot on the move, throw some streamers, and then we'll be at the takeout to get back to the house so we can cook up some dinner for our group of guys that we got, and then we'll be back out on the water.